Hello, hi dear students. Welcome to you all in our today's class. Today also I am present here to teach you about the inverse of a function, otherwise inverse function. And before this class, we have studied many more things about the function, types of function, bijective, surjective, into function, onto function, like this. Many more things we have discussed. So here today we will discuss only about the inverse function today here in this class. So what is called inverse function? First of all, we have to be clear about this definition of this inverse function with example. So all of you look here, I would like to give one example before. So inverse function, suppose f is a function from a to b, f is a function from a to b, then a function from b to a, then a function from b to a is called inverse function. Okay, it's like if f is a function from a to b, f is a function defined from a to b, then a new function from b to a is called inverse function. Like this, I like to here take one example before. So this is one set A, this is another one set B. Set B, I am making one mapping diagram. Suppose let the elements be A, B, C here. Here is 1, 2 and 3. Then it is one-to-one function mapping. This A is mapping with this 1, B is mapping with this 2, C is mapping with this 3. So this is one-to-one onto function, one-to-one onto function, one-to-one into function, many-to-one onto function, many-to-one into function. Like this, many here types of function we have discussed already in the previous class. So it is here one-to-one function. A is mapping with this unique image with what, B is mapping with this 2, C is mapping with this 3. So this is a function of, we can say, such that if we put this A, the set A is the input values, these are input values, these are output values. So if we put this A under this function of, then we get f of A is equal to their 1 we get. F of B, if we put B onto this function, then f of B is equal to we get 2. Similarly, f of C is equal to we get 3. So its inverse function is function defined from B to A. Okay, defined from B to A is called inverse function, which is denoted by f inverse. So like this we can define. So this function should be bijective, otherwise one-to-one onto function should be there. So all of you, we can define the inverse function like this. Very simple. So let f is a function from a to b. F such that a tends to b is a function from a to b. Be a function from a to b, from set A to set B, then the function defined from B to A, B to A is called, what is called that? Inverse of a function, otherwise inverse function we can say, inverse function. Everybody we have to suppose one function from A to B, f is a function from A to B, then a function defined from B to A is called inverse function. Like this, f is a function from A to B, then a new function, otherwise a function defined from B to A is called inverse of a function. So this can be said like this. So here we can say it is inverse function. So inverse function is denoted by f inverse. So we can say here it is denoted by f inverse. So like this we can write. So let f such that A tends to B, otherwise f is a function from A to B, is a function from A to B, then the new function, otherwise the function defined from B to A is called inverse of a function. So it is denoted by f inverse. Like this in shortcut we can define it. So this mapping diagram I made already this year, I have made. So this is here, f is a function from A to B, then a new function defined from B to A, otherwise a function defined from B to A is called f inverse. Such that here in inverse function we can show this B, set B, we write here first. set A we write here, then like these elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, and here is A, B, so we can write here A, B, C. So this 1 is mapping with this A, 2 is mapping with this B, 3 is mapping with this C. So this is called inverse of a function, the of inverse. In this function, the of inverse 1, the of inverse 1 is equal to A. We can write like this. The of inverse, this 2 we can put 2, then this we can get B. The of inverse 3, then it's equal to C. So like this we can write. Okay. So here, if y is a function of fx, otherwise fx is equal to y, then your inverse y is equal to x. This is called inverse function. Mathematically you can say, here we can suppose fx is equal to y. Otherwise, you know, everybody can see here, x is the input value, x is the input value. If we put this x under this function of, otherwise if we operate this x under this function of, then we can get f of x. Okay, then this x is input value, f of x is output value. So this f of x output value can be supposed any variable. This y we can suppose such that fx is equal to y. We can say f of x is y. So like this mathematically we can write function. So its inverse function is x is equal to f inverse y. Otherwise f inverse y is the inverse function of this function. So we can write in this way. F is a function from A to B, then a new function, otherwise a function defined from B to A. B to A is called inverse function. Inverse function is denoted by F inverse. So like this we can write here. So everybody know like this. So if the function is given in the order pair form, function can be expressed in a different way. So if function is given in the order pair form like this, F is a function like this, A comma B, C comma D, E comma F. This is a function defined from set A to set B, where this first elements A, C, E lies in the set A, and this B, D, F they lies in the set B here. Everybody you know this is the order pair. Function is given in the order pair form. Okay. Everybody, first of all there is one set. After set there is one card space of this one. Otherwise we can say particular form, that is what is called that Cartesian product. Cartesian product, from there we can get relation, and relation after only we can define the function. So your function, this is a function, this order pair, some special order pairs are given here, A comma B, C comma D, E comma F. This is one relation. So this is function. Its inverse function can be written F inverse is equal to this A comma B can be written B comma A. Here C comma D we have, then D comma C we can write. Similar E comma F we can write F comma E. So this is called the inverse function. Okay. If the function is given in the order pair form, so like this we can find the inverse of the function. So especially today here we will learn here how to find the inverse function of an algebraic expression. If the function is given in the form of algebraic expression, how we can find the inverse function? Look it here. So suppose one example I take here. Example, if a function f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, then find the inverse function of f. Otherwise we can say find f inverse x. This we have to find. So this is function given by question. Now we have to find inverse of this function. That means we have to find f inverse x. So look at here how to find. The solution we can do. First of all, this given function we have to suppose y. Let the function fx be y. We can say let f of x is equal to y. Already I said, if x is input values, then if we put this into the machine f, then we get here f of x. This is output value, this is input value. If we operate this x under this function f, then we can get f of x. This f of x is the output value. So this output value can be supposed y here. So that means we can write f of x is equal to y. Otherwise y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. Like this y is equal to f x. F of x is equal to y we can write. So everybody know. So this function we have to suppose y. First step is we have to suppose the given function is equal to 1. We can suppose. Now, or we can do in place of f of x we have 3x plus 4. This we have to put here in place of this. The fx place we can put 3x plus 4. Let's put here 3x plus 4 we can put is equal to 1. Okay. In place of f of x we can put 3x plus 4. Then after this, everybody we have to interchange the x and y. Interchanging x and y means x should be written in terms of y and y should be written in terms of x. So here let's write this. We can say interchanging x and y. We get interchange it. This x should be written in terms of y and y should be written in terms of x. So this we can add 3x and this we can add 3y plus 4 is as it is we can write is equal to y should be written x like this. So after interchanging x and y, you have to find the value of y. Okay, you have to find the value of y. Here first of all, this given function we have to suppose y. Then this like we can do. If it is possible to simplify here, we can simplify. Otherwise, we can interchange x and y. Interchanging x and y, interchanging x written y and y is written x here. Then after interchanging the variable x and y, we have to find the value of y. So here we can do 3y is equal to x. This plus 4 goes there in minus 4. So or y is equal to this is x minus 4 upon this 3 it is in multiply here goes in divide. So y is equal to x minus 4 upon 3 getting. So therefore this is our inverse function. So this can be written like this here f inverse x. So this is our f inverse x is equal to x minus 4 divided by 3, which is our inverse function, required inverse of the given function f of x. So in this way we can find the inverse of a function. So what is the step? The step number 1 is the given function should be supposed like y. We can suppose or we can consider let fx be equal to y. Fx is equal to y we can consider. Then after this fx place we can put this 3x plus 4 here is equal to y. If there is something cross multiply, divide like this if possible to simplify, then we can simplify. Otherwise we can interchange x and y. Interchanging x and y. That means interchanging means x we have to write in terms of y and y we have to write in terms of x. So 3x we are writing here 3y plus 4 same y this x is same here. This y is written x here. Then after this we have to find the value of y. So y is 3y is equal to plus 4 goes there, then minus 4 becomes. So y is equal to x minus 4 upon 3. So this y we can write log inverse x is equal to x minus 4 upon 3 like this. First of all, suppose the given function is equal to y. Whatever function is given, that is equal to suppose y here. And interchanging x and y we can do interchange x and y. Then after find the value of y. So whatever comes here, that is our required answer. That is impossible. It's clear, everybody. Now next question look at. I take next example. Next example I take look at. If example number 2. If g of x is equal to gx is equal to 5x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1, 5x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1, then find its inverse function, that is g inverse x. This means we have to find g inverse x. So here gx is a function, gx, hx, f of x, whatever can be given that function name. So gx is the inverse function, gx is the given function. Then we have to find the inverse of this gx is g inverse x. So we have to find. So all of you looking here, how to find it? The solution we have given that function g of x is equal to 5x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1 is given. From here we have to find the g inverse x. Inverse of function gx is g inverse x equal to 1. This we have to find. So what is the first step? I have already told that first step is the given function should be considered as a y. Otherwise gx is equal to y we have to suppose. So we can do let g gx is equal to y, we can consider. Then in place of gx we can put this function gx equal to what is given, that we can put here 5x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. In place of gx we know here 5x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1 here. This we can put this equal to y. All of you, let's cross multiply here. It is possible to multiply here this 2x plus 1. It is in divide, cross multiplies with this y. We can multiply 5x minus 3 is equal to y multiply this, y multiply by 2x plus 1 goes to 3, to cross multiply here, or 5x minus 3 is equal to y multiple 2x, then we can do 2xy plus y multiple 1, then y we can do. So everybody, from here, now it is remaining to interchange x and y. We have to interchange here x and y. Interchanging, now interchanging x and y. Interchanging x and y, we get interchanging means what? This x we have to write in terms of y, and y we have to write x, otherwise y we have to write in terms of x. So this 5x we have, then 5x we have to write 5y minus 3 is there, minus 3 as it is equal to 2xy. 2xy means 2x we have to write y, and this y we have to write x, 2yx plus this y we have to write x. So after this we have to find the value of y. After interchanging x and y, we have to find the value of y. But we have here 2y, here also y in left hand side, and here also y we have in right hand side. So this y, the terms which have this containing this y, this we have to write together. Either to the left side we have to write, or in right side. So I write this, I arrange these two terms containing y. 5y is here, 5y we have to write here. The 2yx it is in plus sign here. This we can carry to this side in minus 2yx it becomes is equal to this x is already there, minus 3 we can take here to the right side. The minus 3 we can write here in plus 3. Everybody know, very simple. So after this, here we have y, this also y. The y we can take common, because we have finally we have to find the value of y. So here y is common, so we can take y common. Y is common, taking here 5 is remaining, minus 2x remaining. So we can write this is equal to x plus 3 as it is, we can write here. So here y and 5 minus 2x they are in multiply. So y is equal to, this is x plus 3, 5 minus 2x it is in multiply. This goes here in divide here, 5 minus 2x. So finally we are getting the value of y. Y is equal to x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2x we are getting. So which is the required inverse function of this gx? Therefore we can write g inverse x is equal to x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. So this is our required answer. This is our inverse of this function gx. Okay. So what is the step? So what are the steps here? How we can find the inverse function? So first number, consider, otherwise suppose the given function f x gx whatever that is equal to y, we have to suppose. Then after second step we have to interchange x and y. Interchange x and y. Then third number, find the value of y. Find the value of y. If you do this much, then you can find the inverse of the given algebraic expression very easily. So first of all we have to suppose the given function is equal to y. After that we have to interchange x and y. Then finally we have to find the value of y. We have to find the value of y in terms of x. Then we can get the inverse of the function. So only this procedure we have to follow to find the inverse function of this given algebraic expression. So this function is given in algebraic expression. So like this we can find the inverse function. So everybody, sometimes in place of this g inverse x, it can act here g inverse 2. All these students, very important. If the function gx is equal to 5x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1, then find g inverse 2. So here in place of x, it is given 2. So here G inverse is necessary to find at first. So all the students same procedure following. You know, you can find the G inverse x like this. You can find G inverse x. Then finally in place of this x, you can substitute 2. So you can put this 2. So you can put here. So if this is asking, so again we can do again we can do here G inverse x is equal to already given x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2x is given. So in place of this x, we can substitute 2. Otherwise we can put 2 here. So put here the G inverse x, in place of x we can put 2. Then this equal to, here in place of x we can put 2 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2 multiple 2. This means 2 plus 3 5. 5 upon 1 plus 5 only answer. So like this we can get. So never confuse. If the function is given, one function is given and saying to find G inverse 2, G inverse 1, whatever values it can give here. So if such type of question is asking, so similarly we have to find the inverse function first of all. Inverse function, find it. Then finally in place of this x, we can put this 2. 2 you can substitute here. Here like this, then 5 we can get x. So like this we can do. So I hope you understood, but here in this question only G inverse x is asking, so G inverse x is going to be our answer. Okay. So after this, one more example I would like to take it here.